Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the how to fix the optimizing shaders error code. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to the search bar and type in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to the display adapter section and then right click on your GPU. From here you can go ahead and hit update driver and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now once this is basically done, this will update your drivers, and this is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to a browser of your choice, typing in NVIDIA drivers in the search bar, and then go ahead and manually install the drivers. If you have GeForce drivers, go to GeForce drivers, and then you can go ahead and put in your specs, and then from here you can go ahead and start the search and then download the drivers. Now what you can also do is, if you have the NVIDIA app already installed, you can go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app. From the NVIDIA app, go over to drivers and then go over to download. Now this is another way of updating and downloading the drivers, and once you do all of these methods, I highly recommend restarting your PC, and then you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.